This looks like a mini leopard, but it hunts like a ghost. The ocelot is a medium-sized wild cat found in Central and South America. It lives in dense forests, jungles, and mangroves. Places where visibility is low and silence is everything. Ocelots hunt almost entirely at night, using sharp hearing and night vision. They stalk rodents, birds, reptiles, frogs, and even small monkeys with slow, calculated movements. Their spotted coat is perfect camouflage, helping them disappear into shadows. One sudden pounce, one precise bite, and the hunt is over. The Ocelot sees. It survives through stealth, patience, and precision.